Hello student, now I am going to start exercise 6.1. Here question number 1. In a triangle PQR and D is the midpoint of QR. That means this is the PQR and D is the midpoint of this QR. Okay, then what our question is, PD is what? P means PD, this line, PD is this line. This one is what? We know that the line segment from the vertex to the opposite sides, midpoint of the opposite side is called the median. That means PD is the median of this triangle PQR, median of this triangle PQR. Now next question is PM is what? PM. We notice that PM is, that means this PM is, this angle is this way, that means this is the 90 degree. That means what? PM is the perpendicular line on QR. So the line segment from the vertex to the opposite line, the perpendicular to the opposite line, this is called altitude. That means PM is called altitude. Now see the question number 2. Question number 2A. Draw a triangle ABC and B is a median. First we draw the triangle. A, B and C. B is the median. Median means E is the middle. E must be middle point of the AC. That means this point. Now we draw a line of the BE. Yes. Now this is a B is a median. Now B is, E is the middle point. Now B is the median. AC and AE is our equal length. Now see the next question. 2B. 2B is what? One triangle of PQR and PQ and PR are altitude of the triangle. Altitude means line must be perpendicular. That means what? PQ and PR must be perpendicular. So this is a suppose PQ and this is a PR. This is PQ and PQ and PQ and PR. PQ and PR are perpendicular line. Yes. So this is a altitude. So PR is the altitude of the triangle. This is a perpendicular line. We know that if the line is the if the line segment from the vertex to the opposite line is perpendicular line, then this is called altitude. That this R is the vertex and R is the vertex and the line of the PR is the perpendicular on QP. So this is a altitude of the PQR. That means PR is the altitude of the P triangle PQR. Now see the question number 2C. 2C is what? In a triangle XYZ and Y is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. You notice this triangle. Triangle is what? X, Y, Z. First we draw the triangle X, this is a triangle, this is the X, Y and Z. Now draw a altitude. Altitude means what? Line must be perpendicular. That means YL. We draw a perpendicular line from the Y. First we draw a perpendicular line from Y. That means this one. YL. This is a YL. Now we join this line. Because here, according to question, altitude is the exterior. Exterior means outside of the triangle, not inside of the triangle. It must be outside of the triangle because it is a exterior. So we draw the triangle this way, and YL is a altitude and exterior of the triangle, which is the outside of the triangle. Now see the question number 3. Verify by drawing a diagram of the median and altitude is a isosceles triangle can be same. Isosceles triangle means what? In isosceles triangle means what? A triangle in which have any two sides are equal. Here AB and AC are equal. That means ABC is a isosceles triangle. And now if we draw a median, then what? L is the midpoint of BC. L is the midpoint of BC. Then AL is a median of a triangle. That means AL is a median. That means because L is a midpoint. Now if we draw a altitude, that means L is a that angle is the 90 degree. That means AL also is a altitude also.